Hey guys, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we are checking out the seat covers in the 2010 Toyota Highlander. Awesome looking set in here. This is the leather style seat cover, light gray for the insert, light gray trim, black stitch. Just a really cool set. These were some old gray cloth seats inside here. This really refreshed the interior. Looks so cool and matches the interior in here. There's a lot of light gray colors and some black tones. That's why we threw in the black stitch with it. Really cool set. Let's check them out. So let's check these out inside here. This is the perforated genuine leather for the insert. Light gray is the color choice. And you can see there's that perforation right there. So that helps that seat to breathe better as you're sitting here. It's just a lot cooler of a seat. Now you can see, check out the body of this cover. It just, man, it looks so nice. It looks like it's an OEM leather seat, and that's because of the memory foam backing. So a half-inch memory foam backing on all this seating area right here, so a lot more comfortable to sit on with this memory foam. You can see as I push in a little bit right there, there's that memory foam kind of coming back out of that right there. So light gray was used for the insert. A light gray trim. The trim side is a leatherette, so it stretches a little bit better. Your genuine leather is going to be the middle section. Your leatherette is the trim side. And light gray on light gray. So you can do two-tone, you do different colors if you want. This one, we had a lot of light grays in here and we wanted to match the interior really nice. So we did light gray on light gray and then we did a black stitch. So there's that black stitch contrasting really nicely with these light gray, and there's a lot of black on the dash. The steering wheel has black in here, so that black stitch just makes it, you know, blends in with those black tones as well and just looks really cool, this light gray with that black stitch. Let's check out the driver headrest. Look how tight this headrest is, and you can see there's that black stitch, that contrasting stitch right there. It looks really nice. Again, light gray for the headrest cover, and just popped on really nice. I have a full install video showing you how to get this on. It's totally doable. This just goes over the original headrest, and all of these seat covers go over the original. These were cloth seats. We pulled these on top of the cloth seats. It's just stretched on top. So this is a cover that goes on top. It's not new upholstery, even though the fitment sometimes, man, it looks almost like new upholstery, guys. It's really good. In fact, I want to pop this up just to show you. Look at that. So we got the J clip underneath there. You clip that in right there, install video to show you how to do that, and then it pops in so nice and finishes out so flush around here. There were some pre-cut out holes in the headrest, in the backrest, I should say, to pop that around, tuck that underneath like that. Man, just a really great finish right there. Now here's the driver bottom seat right here. You can see there's that perforated section right here that you'd be sitting on. So a lot cooler right here in this area because of those perforations. Due to the perforations, it makes it so it's not as waterproof of a material. Water's not gonna go straight through because there is some memory foam backing and another layer that kind of helps block and makes it a little bit more water resistant. But it's not going to be as waterproof of a material. This over here, this is going to be a waterproof material right here on the side, this leatherette, but that's because there's no perforations to it. But due to the perforations, it's going to be cooler to sit on. That's the benefit there of those perforations, but it looks really nice. That trim side finishes out really nice over there. There's that black stitch on the outside right there, looks really good. And then this tucks into this plastic right here. A lot of customers ask, hey, how does that look on the outside? Well, look, check it out. Your controls are still going to be accessible there. Tucks in really nice. Just now we're on the back side of the driver's seat. You can see here is this large map pocket right here. You can see it's out of that light gray material right there, tucking in. It's just a nice size for a large first aid kit. We recommend having a first aid kit inside your vehicle. You know, we sell some. They have tourniquets, Israeli bandages. It's really cool. Supplies in there. Always good to have one inside your vehicle. So that's about how big that pocket is. Store your binoculars, your jackets, whatever else you might need inside there. And just a nice looking pocket, OEM looking pocket there. Also, going down a little bit lower, you can see there's a seat bib. This is kind of a kick plate right here in case if guys are getting their dirty boots up there, the kids are back here. That's going to be easier to wipe down now, keep looking clean because that cover's down below down there. Now we're checking out the second row. So this is actually a 3-row Highlander, and this is the second row we're looking at right now. And the seats are a 40-20-40 seat, meaning that there's 2 outside 40 seats these two bucket seats right here, and then there's a middle seat right here that can fold down for kind of like a tray, little table there for the middle right there. There's these outside seats that have the armrests, so 2 inside armrests right here, and then also 2 outside headrests, and then a small headrest for this middle section. So all of those pieces, they had separate covers. The only way you're gonna get a good custom fit is if you order a custom seat cover like this, designed specifically for this year of Toyota Highlander. And again, we do all the different years of Highlanders, but all the different years of the Toyotas and all the other makes as well. So we have seat covers for you guys. If you're looking for seat covers, we can get them done. So this was the light gray, and with the black stitch. You can see that black stitch popping out there, looking really nice. You see it in those headrests, you see it right here. There's that black stitch popping out right there. Man, really cool looking set back here. Totally transformed how these seat covers, or how these seats looked in here. Just gave it a full new refresh, and gonna be a lot easier to clean up and keep looking nice, because that cloth, the old cloth, that was stained so easy. The customer did not like that cloth in here. This is gonna be so much better inside here. So again, the seats are gonna fold and function just how they should. There's an integrated seat belt right here, trims out really nice around here. All of these areas trimmed out and tucked in, really good. Seatbelt receivers still gonna be accessible, so you can come down, lock your seatbelts in, all that good stuff there, and just fully functional seats. Now, I'm gonna fold some of these seats down just so you can see how some of this looks on the back side right here as well. So I got that trimmed down. This particular Highlander had these little plastic clips on the back as well right here, and a clip right, or, you know, some plastic here. So lots of places to tuck the seat cover in. And again, in my install video, I show you how to tuck all this in and get it all looking nice and tight. So watch, that's a separate video, but I'm showing you how this all finishes out right here and just finish out nice. I like having coverage on the back of seats like this. That way, when the kids are in the back or you got your dirty gear back here, it's gonna wipe up nice and easy. Take a wet microfiber cloth, come in here, just wipe that down, and just gonna be easy to keep looking clean. So you can see it folds and functions just fine right there, locks into place, looks good back here. So love how this all turned out, and we'll show you a couple other little close-ups inside back here. So unique to this type of seat with a Highlander, Sienna has this as well, where there's these armrests that fold down. Well, this is how it works. There's an armrest cover that goes on top of this. Actually, in my install video, I show you how to remove this armrest, because the backrest, you look at that backrest and be like, man, how'd that backrest go on? Well, we pulled this armrest off and pulled that backrest over. There's a little hole cut out on there, and you just pop it back on, really easy. There's a bolt that you remove in there. You just pop that bolt out. Now we popped it back in, and so it just finishes out like that. Man, it looks so OEM when you do it like that. It looks really cool. And this armrest has some Velcro on the back side back here that you connect up right there, but it's on the back side. You really don't even see where that Velcro connects up right there, but that's how that armrest works right there. Now, this is an integrated seat belt on this seat. You can see how the seat cover tucks in underneath that. That's how it works around that. And the backrest actually has a zipper on the back side. We'll show you that. And you open up that zipper, install the seat cover, zip it back up, and tuck this underneath just for a really great finished look. So in my install video, I show you how to do all this, but there's that zipper right here that you open up that zipper, pull it around underneath that seat belt, then zip it back up, get it locked in. So this is on the rear passenger side. It has this little lever right here. In my install video, again, I show you how to do all this, but it tucks underneath. Just want to show you how nice that trims out right there, tucks in right there. And then also coming down a little bit lower, you can see here's this lever right here to bring that seat backrest forward, and that trims out really nice. There was a hole cut out around there, and you just pull that over and tuck it in. Now, if you need to lock the child seats in, yes, those child seat ISOFIX bars, they're still accessible right in between the backrest and the bottom. Backrest cover is going to install right up above there. Bottom cover is going to come down under here, and there's those bars in between those two seats right there. Also around the headrest, just a great finish all around on these headrests here. Everything just tucked underneath these plastic areas, so nice. Headrest cover looked great on here as well. Just, man, awesome fit and finish. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to Covers and Camo. Again, Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.